Hello guys, wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to make a video for you guys because I want to keep this going. I want to keep sharing information and knowledge with you guys that will earn you guys money, because we all need money, man. Because if we all had money in this country, or if we're all making money, our lives would be kind of easier. So today I feel good and I want to share some experience from last week's Friday's trade. I took some trades on Friday, although I didn't want to trade, but it was just so appealing. I had to take two trades. My first two trades of my 5K profit account that I just bought. So I'll share it with you guys. I recorded them and they are on my Notion. So this is the charts. Welcome to the charts. My favorite currency pair is NAS. Comment down below what your favorite currency pair is if you're a current trader, because I want to diversify my portfolio and check other currency pairs to see if they move the way I like. But trust me, my trading concept works for all pairs because I learned this from the trading master himself, ICT. Shout out to ICT. I know he's not seeing my videos now, but he has been a real mentor even without seeing him. I just focused on studying his videos and studying the markets, and he took my trading from 0 to 100. So if you want to be a better trader, I will advise you to go through ICT's YouTube page, and you can just maybe I'm going to leave a link in the comments below, so just click that, go to his YouTube page, follow his mentorship series. He didn't pay me to do this or do anything, but you need these guys, you need this knowledge, because they say knowledge is power. And what else can I say? Knowledge is power. So, man, this week, my target for this week is just to have 3 good trades. If I see 2, I'll still be satisfied. If I see 2 trades, I'll still be satisfied, because this is the first week of September and the market is going to be how it's going to be every first week of the month, which is kind of, if you lose guard, they go chop your eye. So this week I'm going to just be taking I'm going to be looking for 2 to 3 trades. Okay, so Friday's chart, my draw on liquidity, I was reaching for a high. Which is this high. Can you see the high? This high, I'm going to highlight it now. I was reaching for this high, and I think that's where the market is going to early this week. So I'll still be looking at trading opportunities in that direction from tomorrow, because today is Mondays. Every first day of the week, every first week of the month, Mondays are good for trading. But today there's a bank holiday, so that's why I'm not trading today, but I'll wait till tomorrow because there's news and 10 a.m. New York time, my trading session. So okay, I think there was even a trading opportunity. Or what is this I'm seeing? You see this? My trading pattern still worked towards that direction, towards that liquidity. Around what time? 8:52, 9:30. My trading pattern. I still see my trading pattern in this market, which is simple. Market takes out a low. I'm not even supposed to be teaching this for free, but For my early subscribers, see it, market is going up long term. It takes out a low at a key time, which is after 8:30. It takes out a low, and what does it do next? It runs out a high and retraces. The best trades are taken below 50%. So once I see it crossing this 50% line, I'm buying without hesitation. I'm buying, putting my stop loss here, which is 6 pips stop loss. You can add 1 or 2 for spread, which is 7 pips stop loss. Look for your 1 to 3. Of course, this is hindsight, but you see, it still works. This is what I used to trade on a daily basis. This is my bread and butter pattern. And I just opened the chart and I just saw it that it even worked today. But I already made up my mind I wasn't going to trade today because there's bank holiday today. So I don't know, but my trading pattern still worked. So tomorrow, I'm still going to be looking for this bread and butter to eat. You get? So guys, I'm going to show you how it worked on Friday too. Let me show you how it worked on Friday. On Friday, I took 2 trades on Friday. I lost 1 and I won 1. That's how I opened my 5K prop firm challenge. I just started trading my 5K prop firm challenge and I took 2 trades. So on Friday, this was the first trade I took. I hesitated. I knew the draw on liquidity, but I hesitated around 8:30, around 9:30 because it wasn't too clear. I wasn't too sure of the direction. So this was the pattern. Price came down. It took this low. Same thing, works every time like magic. Price came down and took this low. Can you see that? And see how it exploded after I took this low above this short-term high. As it explodes like that, I measure. I make my measurements, and the same thing, like I told you, once I see price going below 50%, I buy rapidly. And not just that 50%, see there's another block here, this black candle, and and this was a fair value gap. This candle came to fill the fair value gap. So it was because these 2 candles exploded fast and this one just came down to fill it. So the fair value gap didn't really show. But you see that I hesitated. I didn't take this trade. I was about to take this trade, but I was still contemplating, should I trade today? Should I trade today? Because I told myself I'm not going to trade this month, August. But after so much back testing and forward testing, I was seeing my bread and butter setups. I was like, guy, this is money on the table. Man, I fucked up because I didn't stick to my word. But I still make money on Friday, even though I still made money on Friday. You see, this is 1 to 4. But if I was to take this trade, you won't know where to close this trade now, because this is the normal draw on liquidity, this blue line. So if I was to take this trade, if I see my 1 to 3, I'll close and leave some for that blue line. You get me? So the ideal thing is to close above this short-term high now. You can close 20 pips above this short-term high because of that liquidity above. So when you enter here, you can close 20 pips above the short-term high, which is 63.5. You see that 63.5, 64. That's your 1 to 3. 1 to 3. What are you looking for? $100 make $300. You get me? 1K make 3K. Sure bread and butter. So you can close that and you're done for today. But this was the trade I took that I lost. The first trade that I took that I lost. This was it. When price took this high, it came down retracing and it made another breaker. Breaker is the name of my pattern. I call it breaker because that's what ICT calls it. It calls it breaker. So that's what I call it. So after price took this high, it came down, and you see this. It went below this low. Although it didn't go below this low, but it went below this low, and it exploded, leaving a gap there. So this was the one I entered on. I entered on this one. Below 50%, I entered here. So I entered around here. But my target is 1 to 3. You see this? This is 1.78 weeks to reward. It was already giving me 1 to 2. So I think I entered lower. So I think I entered around here. Because around here I was already making 1 to 2. So I was reaching for 1 to 3 ideally. 1 to 3. That's what I was reaching for. I'm going to even show you so you know that I ain't capping. This is my prop firm account. I took 2 trades. One buy. Risking how much? $16. This is a $5,000 account. So if you have a $5,000 account, will you be comfortable risking $16? Yes, you'll be comfortable risking $16. Will you be comfortable risking $100 when your risk margin is just $500? No, you won't. So you have to risk what you're comfortably risking, because little wins matters too. Little wins will build up your account. I'm in Nigeria now. As a Nigerian, if I was to withdraw this $34, it will sustain me over the weekend into this week, because I manage the way I spend my money too. I don't just spend anyhow because I make money from trading or I make money at all. And I'm trying to show you the trade. I don't know how to zoom in. I'm trading view on MT4. Okay. Man, this shit is complicated. But you can see the lines. Man, I wish I could go back so I could show you guys this thing. But yeah, this is the information. I lost the first one because it didn't reach my targets 1 to 3. Because my trade is supposed to be 1 to 3. I'm not looking for anything taking 1 to 2. 1 week leave me 3. That way, out of 10 trades, if I win 3 trades out of 10 trades, I still make money. If I win 3 trades out of 10 trades. If I'm doing 1 to 2, then I have to be getting 5 trades right out of 10 trades, and that's kind of hard. So 1 to 3. So when the market was supposed to reach for that higher time frame liquidity, this blue line, but I saw that it was hesitating to do that because there was news around 10. So normally that 10 o'clock news was supposed to drive it through that higher time frame liquidity, but it didn't happen. So I knew that, okay, the market isn't going to do this today. If it's going to do this, it's going to be this week, not that Friday. So see what happened. Market came down and it took out this low. You see this low it took out? That was where my stop loss was. So it took me out. I lost $16. Then I saw my second opportunity to trade. That was when market went up and it took out this short-term high. You will see that my trading pattern is consistent. I'm only looking for one thing. Like, that's how trading should be. You should have just one trading pattern and you just look for it every time in the market to trade it. So this is my trading pattern again. So now I switched from buying to selling because if it was going to buy, it wouldn't hesitate to run through that higher time frame liquidity if it was going to reach for them. So I switched my buyers from buying to selling because there's liquidity below the market. There's liquidity below the market. This low is liquidity, which is a short-term liquidity. You can also see some lows over here. This is also liquidity in the market. You see this low? It is also liquidity that price can run through. You see that? You see those three blue lines? Which other one? This one. This low is also liquidity. And what do I mean by liquidity? Liquidity is simply where people put their stop loss. Buyers from earlier in the day where they put their stop loss. They as a beginner trader, we were taught to put our stop loss below lows. Even till now, I still put my stop loss below lows. So that's the liquidity for the uninformed people. So this was what I was reaching for. And I took the trade here. See my pattern? It takes out a high and it breaks below this low. See the way it exploded below that low. I was waiting for just one thing, a retracement back above 50%, and I sell. If you notice, I don't use the wicks to measure. I use the body of the candles to measure. So that's another thing you can add to your skill set. If you see how price respects my pattern, like it goes out, it goes above the high here, it breaks below. That's the structure shift, and it retraces. I sold with immediate effect without wasting time. I sold from here. Stop loss above this high. Looking for my bread and butter 1 to 3. You see that? 1 to 3 below this low, this low, this low, this low, and ultimately this low was the target. I risked $16 and I made $50. You see it? This is the trade. The two trades I took, the one earlier and this one recovered my loss and added more profit. This is my profit account. This is proof. You see the first one that hit stop loss, and you see the second one. I reached the same amount, $16, and I made $51. So you see that this is what I'm going to be trading throughout the month of September. This pattern, this particular pattern. So this week I'm just going to be looking for 2 to 3 trades maximum. If I get 3 trades this week, I'm satisfied. That's from Tuesday, Wednesday. Friday is going to be bloody, man. Because of the Friday is always bloody. First week of the month, Friday is always bloody. So be careful, guys, while trading this week. If you don't know what you're doing, it's better to stay away from the market. That's just one advice. Yeah, my Notion app didn't open. So yeah. Let me zoom in. How do I zoom in? Man, I'm used to my forex calculator. This is the stuff I used to zoom in. I don't even know how to zoom in again on MT4 using normal zoom. I'm used to zooming in with this. So again, it's on from the start. Let me look for how to zoom in so I show you the 2 trades, just like I explained. This stuff works, guys. Share it with your guys that are traders so they understand. How do I zoom on MT4, man? It used to be easy. Just use the scroll button to zoom. But now they made everything so difficult. I can't zoom, but you can see the trades. You can see the trades. This blue, I lost it here, and this is the second trade that I sold, and I took profit here. So follow me, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll be dropping more back to back. Like, you don't even understand what I'm giving you. This information I'm giving you is money. Like, normally if I was to charge people for this, I won't take small money from people. So know what I'm giving you guys, and follow my page. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be dropping more knowledge. You see where's my trading book? I'm going to show you. See my trading book. I've been using this book since like 2022. My studies from 2022, from ICT videos. Can you see them? ICT videos. Like, I took my time to watch a lot of ICT videos, and there are a lot of information in this book that I'm going to be sharing here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making trading easier for you. So like, follow, and share with your friends. Once again, don't say I didn't tell you. Don't go and pay Abby. No vex. Don't go and pay for mentorship when you can learn it for free. Yeah. Don't go and be paying for mentorship when you can learn it for free. Yeah. You get? Or don't go and pay for signal when you can gain the knowledge here on my page. So guys, thank you guys for following up. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you with all my heart. So God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, real good. God bless you. So have a lovely day and have a lovely trading week. And I wish all of you guys success. Everyone that's watching my video, everyone that's sharing it with their friends, I wish you guys success. So in your trading week and in your trading career. Have a lovely day. Bye.